Yeah, I'm completely disappointed. I was expecting you to get bit in the butt. Man.
What is that? How to resend your verification and then verify. It's sending it to your email. And then verify your email. It just went out again.
It did that to me yesterday, and I said, okay. And I did it.
Yes, it was.
It just wants to make sure that you.
All right. Here we have a pelican from Wild at Heart, acquired this weekend. They sent me a video of him capturing it and being attacked by a bunch of other pelicans, which was actually pretty funny. I love that kind of stuff. Anyway, if you'll notice here, Vanna, thank you for showing me the flappy skin parts there. You can tell the skin's actually healing. On the edges, unfortunately, it's not healing together. There is just enough, that margin you see there, just enough to suture this guy back together again. So we're going to give this guy a try. What is cool about pelicans is if you can look down inside the gular pouch, you can see him breathing. There you go. See the hole right there? All right, that is his glottis. Oh, hello. He said, ah.
You and Doug.
Ah.
Y'all are just alike.
You guys are like no fun whatsoever. Hey, you know, we've ever done this double video thing before.
It's pretty cool.
Oh, you scared me.
Cool.
I wish we could actually do this in smell-o-vision, and you guys would just realize just how much pelicans stink.
This is so cool, though. Look at that little...
They're like a bake shop gone wrong. I mean, really, I don't know any other way to describe it.
That is about right, yeah.
Okay, all right. We have some other video over here going, so we have some stop action too. Love my GoPro. All right, that's it for now. Gonna sign out and start some surgery.
No, please don't.
All right, we've just been the last hour fixing this guy up. All that will flatten out in time. You have to do this in 2 layers. The first layer is absorbable on the inside. The outside layer is a nylon suture. I would have liked to use a smaller one, but hey, it was free suture, so we used the free stuff. And we say free is always good. So this is actually, let's get some holding. I will spray this with peroxide, get the blood and color off of it. And other than that, this guy will probably do fine. The bad news about these procedures is because the skin is so thin. Let's see, final piece right there. That is full thickness, 2 layers. To give you an idea just how thin this stuff is. And it's so thin that if there is any lack of blood supply or infection or anything, it usually tends to have to be redone. Surgerize this guy. Anyway, this guy's been a great patient. The local block actually worked except for a few small needle pricks, and we will get this guy back to rehab. He'll be in a smaller cage, not a lot of water. They'll be hand feeding him. The good news is anything he puts in his mouth, he will be able to swallow now, and it won't be just falling out of the bottom of his neck.
I shouldn't have looked. That's what I get.
And then it comes to life. It goes crazy. Help! Help us!
Okay.
Like, you know-
Nice.
What do you do?
He just booted.
Oh, yeah, leave us with a gift. You know the secret to holding these guys outside of the thing is just to grab both humeruses with the same hand.
And hold it.
And then you
There,
control the
yeah.
whole
Okay, you
rope.
got him?
Okay.
Sweet.
And then we're picking him up.
There we go.
Oh, ow, my eye.
Ta-da!
From box to surgery to box again. Dun-dun.
Even poop.
Okay. Strange thing about rehabbers is they all have their individual quirks. One of these guys, or this particular outfit, happens to love hearts. So now that we've actually done the Pelican, everything we see has to do something with a heart. So just want you to notice how we have the heart-shaped poop stain here. So this is just wild at heart poop. It's awesome. Awesomeness. Thumbs up on the poop stain. It's Bird's an artist. Next thing you know, it'll be spelling out our names. Thank you, and poop.